So I just recently got my hands on the 16mm version of the Sirui Night Walker lens T1.2. So I'm going to throw that on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K and see how much more that opens up the field of view in this room compared to when I have the 24 or 25mm on there. Because you know, if you factor in the 2 times crop factor of this micro four thirds lens, it's usually about 2x. So that 24 was essentially a 50mm equivalent on a full frame, and the 16 should put us roughly at around 32mm. So we'll see what all we can get in the frame. Let's do it. So I'm putting the focus motor back on. I did drop the T-stop down to about 2 T2, so we'll see how that looks. And I'll put this focus motor on. This is freaking awesome. All right, so right now you're looking at the field of view that I get with the Sirui Night Walker 16mm lens on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. No speed boosters or anything, and I have it hooked up to the PDMovie Lidar focus system. So one of the cool things that I just realized is that because I've already programmed the motor for the previous 24mm, there was absolutely nothing that I needed to do regarding programming this for the 16mm, because the lens gear placement for those rings and the focus distance, not focus distance, but the focus distance is the same. So automatically, I'm being able to leverage the autofocus capabilities that come from this PDMovie Lidar system, which is freaking awesome. Let's try this again. Yeah, this is freaking sweet. Definitely loving this field of view. A lot of times people think that they need to get a camera that can do a higher resolution to get more in the frame, or a bigger sensor or something like that, when sometimes in a lot of cases, all you need is a wider lens. And in this case, this solves the problem that I was trying to accomplish and makes for a pretty good pairing with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. And I have the ability to open this all the way up to 1.2. If I cut the lights off and I utilize this camera, this is what this looks like. Pretty sick, pretty nice, and I don't think you would be disappointed if you went with this as your lens of choice for this camera. Well, folks, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing to the channel to stay tuned for future videos. If you're at all interested in checking out any of the gear featured in this video, I will have affiliate links in the description, and that's just what helps keep me pumping out helpful videos like this for you guys. As always, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.